Hello, welcome back to JD Science Prep. Today we are discussing acid-base neutralization. So if this video does help, please like and subscribe. In an acid-base neutralization, an acid will be reacting with a base, and the products can be predicted as being water and some type of salt. So usually the salt is going to be a ionic compound. So the general form for an acid-base neutralization is going to be described as this right here. So HA plus BOH will result in water as well as some type of ionic salt. Okay, so remember HA, that's going to be our acid in the reaction, and BOH can be described as our base. And again, it is going to result in water because that H plus ion and the OH ion will be interacting. And what's going to be left is our cation from our base and the anion from our acid. Okay, so I do have a couple of examples that we're going to go through here. Let's predict these products. So the first one, we have NaOH, or sodium hydroxide, reacting with hydrochloric acid. So let's go ahead and write down the product that we know for sure in water. Okay, so now we have to look for the cation that is bonded with our OH ion, and it looks like we have sodium right here, and our anion that is with our H plus ion is chloride. So we have Na plus and Cl negative interacting, so we should have NaCl, or sodium chloride, as our other product. And I believe this is already balanced, so we can put in our placeholder ones. So in the reaction of sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid, we are going to get water as well as sodium chloride. Okay, so that's our first example. Let's take a look at number 2 here. We have calcium hydroxide reacting with sulfuric acid. So again, our one product that we can for sure predict is water in H2O. And let's take a look for a cation and a anion. So our cation, again, it's going to be found with hydroxide. It's going to be Ca2 plus, or calcium. And our anion that's paired up with our H plus ion is sulfate. So we can go ahead and write SO4 2 negative. And these two ions are going to be interacting. Their charges will cancel out. So we can write down CaSO4 as our other product. And to balance this one, I believe we're going to need a 2 in front of water and a 1 in front of everything else. Let's just make sure. 1 calcium, 1 calcium, 1 sulfur, 1 sulfur, 6 oxygens on both sides, and 4 hydrogen. That looks good to me. So again, in an acid-base reaction, remember, you're always going to get water and some type of ionic salt. Okay, that's the video. If it helps, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.